Have you ever gotten burned by a bad interest rate? Stuck with a bank account that feels more like a penalty box for your savings? Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly been bastions of high returns lately. So, when you find an online bank offering rates that seem almost too good to be true, it's natural to wonder, is this legit? Today, we're diving deep into EQ Bank, a Canadian online bank known for its stellar interest rates. We'll crack open the vault and see if EQ Bank is truly safe for your hard-earned cash, or if there are hidden fees and gotchas lurking beneath the surface. But before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. The concept of online banks might still feel new to some. Imagine having all the convenience of mobile banking, but with rates that could potentially blow your traditional bank account out of the water. That's the basic idea behind EQ Bank. Now, the security of your money is paramount. After all, it's not like you can just walk into a branch and demand your cash back if something goes wrong. So, how does EQ Bank ensure your money is safe? The answer lies in a little something called the Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation, or CDIC. Think of the CDIC as a superhero for your savings. It's a government agency that protects your deposits in case a member bank goes belly up. Here's the key: EQ Bank, also known as Equitable Bank, is a CDIC member. This means that your deposits are insured for up to $100,000 per insured category, per depositor. That's a significant safety net, and a major reason why EQ Bank can be a secure option for your savings. Alright, safety check passed. But what about the interest rates? Are they really as good as they seem? Buckle up, because this is where EQ Bank gets interesting. They offer a variety of accounts, but their flagship Savings Plus account boasts a variable interest rate that's consistently among the best in Canada. We're talking rates that could potentially leave your traditional bank account in the dust. Of course, with great rates often comes limitations. Unlike a traditional bank account, EQ Bank functions primarily online. That means you won't find any physical branches to waltz into. Deposits and withdrawals are primarily done through electronic transfers or linked accounts. While this might not be ideal for everyone, the convenience of online banking and the potential for much higher returns make EQ Bank a compelling option for many savers. So, is EQ Bank the perfect fit for everyone? Not necessarily. If you crave the face-to-face interaction of a physical branch or require frequent cash access, EQ Bank might not be your best bet. However, for those who prioritize high interest rates and a user-friendly online experience, EQ Bank offers a secure and potentially lucrative alternative. Here's the thing: EQ Bank isn't the only online bank out there. Before you make the switch, it's always wise to shop around and compare rates and features offered by different institutions. Consider your own banking needs and weigh the pros and cons. Ultimately, the decision of where to park your savings is a personal one. But with its CDIC protection and competitive interest rates, EQ Bank has certainly earned its place on the shortlist for savvy Canadian savers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.